Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a YouTube channel from scratch, step by step, even if you've never created one before. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time of seeing this channel, you are very, very welcome. I am really glad you clicked on this particular video. If you already have a channel or you want to start a fresh one, a new one, this tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, how to create a channel, the setup you need. So grab your phone, grab your laptop and follow along with me. Right, let's begin. I will walk you through all the setup you need to put in place in order for your channel to run and work smoothly and for it to grow really, really fast. The first step to creating a YouTube channel is to create a Google account. Yes, you need a Google account to create a YouTube channel because YouTube is owned by Google, and your Google account is what helps YouTube to know who you are. And also, it's very important you create a Google account. Go to your browser and type youtube.com. After that, you click on the profile there. Yes, then you click on add Chrome profile. Add Chrome profile. Yes, so to ask you to either sign in or you create a new one. Yes, so now you click on create account. Create account. So you can either create account for personal use, for a child, or for work and business. So you just select for work and business. Yes, after that you click next. You click next. Here you will be required to create a Gmail. Yes, you're required to create a Gmail. Now you have to input your first name. Yes, enter your first name. Then you also input your last name. Yes, your last name. After inputting your last name, you click on next. So it brings you to this particular interface where you have to input your basic information. You start with your date of birth, your month, the day and the year. So just select them accordingly. Yes, the month, the day and the year. Then you select your gender, either male or female. Then you click on next. Then you'll be required to create a username, something unique to you. Then you click on next. It will bring you to the particular interface where you input your password. Yes, then you confirm your password. The password is about 8 digits. Password mixed with letters, numbers and symbols. You create something unique, something you can easily remember. Then you confirm your password and click on next. This is where your account will be verified. You have to input your phone number for verification. Yes, you input your phone number. So after inputting your phone number, a confirmation code will be sent to your phone, which you will be required to input in the next stage. Yes, so the next stage you have to input the confirmation code sent to you. After confirming the code, you'll be required to add a recovery email. If you have, you can add. If you don't, just keep. Yes, after adding that, you also be required to add an additional phone number. If you had that as well, you can input it. If you don't, just keep. Then it will bring to this place where you review your account information. Then you click on next. Then also privacy and terms. You go through everything, the rules and all that. Then you click on next. You can see now your account is ready. After creating your Google account, the next thing for you to do is to create your YouTube channel. Yes, let me walk you through how you create it. Now you click on your Google profile, then you click on this create channel. Yes, you click on it. Then it will bring you here where you input your profile picture, your name and your handle. Then you click on that create channel down. Then you still bring you to this particular interface. If you've watched this video up to this particular point and you've not subscribed, do where to click on that subscribe button and subscribe. If you know you've gotten value in this video, do where to click on that subscribe button and subscribe for more tutorials and more updates like this. The next step is you have to verify your YouTube channel. Yes, because when you verify your YouTube channel, it helps you have access to some advanced features on your channel. Yes, let's go right into it. Let me teach you how to verify your accounts. You do that in your YouTube studio. Click on your profile and go to YouTube Studio. To bring you this particular interface. Then you select setting, then you click on future eligibility. Then you now click on verify your phone number. You can verify your phone number through a text or phone call, so just select the one convenient for you. Then a code will be sent to you. The fourth step is the channel setup. Yes, you have to put some things in place like the description, the title, and all of that. Today is just like the engine room to your YouTube. So everything you want to do verification, all of that is done in your YouTube studio. So here you click on your YouTube studio, click on setting, then you click on this basic information where you input your country of residence and the keyword associated with your channel. Yes, what is your channel all about? Just input the keywords there. Like this allows the YouTube to know what exactly your channel is all about. So you have to input the correct keywords. After that, you click on advanced settings. There's this where you select your audience, if your content is meant for kids or not. It's still in your YouTube studio. Setting up your channel. There's this where you put in your contact information, your email, your phone number, and all of that. Yes, this way you put in your important information, how people can access you, and if you have other social media handles, this way you input everything. You input the links to any other social media handle. Make sure the title doesn't contradict what your video or what your content is all about. Ensure the title and what the content is all about is the same thing. So you input your title. Once you are done, you go to description. Then you select if your video should be private or public. After that, you add your tags, and that's all. Once you are done with all the settings, it's now time for you to start creating. Yes, maybe in my next video, I'll be showing you how to properly create a YouTube video, how to upload it, the settings you have to put in place before uploading that particular video. In my next video, I'll be showing you all that. See you in my next video.